In the last 2 lessons, we created a proxy object with 4 trap methods. They are get, set, has, and delete. We also created a child object using the proxy object as its prototype. In this lesson, we will take a close look at things you should pay attention to when using a proxy object as the prototype. The child object will inherit all trap methods from the proxy object, and depending on your trap design, you may encounter some unexpected results when using the child object. To make things clearer, we first rename the new object into car2. Since car2 is created using car proxy as its prototype, the object .getPrototypeOf should return us the car proxy object. We can see it does return us the car proxy object. But if we output car2's prototype using the _proto property, things would be different. Let's output car2._proto. We got access denied because this operation is intercepted by the get trap. The get trap bans us from retrieving any property whose name starts with an underscore. Let's disable the file name check. This time, the result we got is the object prototype. Do you know why? car2._proto will still be intercepted by the get trap. The else part will be triggered this time. It will return target prop. Target prop here means car._proto. So car2._proto will be replaced by car._proto. Receiver, however, points to car2. What if we return receiver prop? Let's see what happens. This time we got something even worse. We got an infinite loop. This is because returning receiver prop actually means returning car2._proto, which will trigger the get trap again. As a result, we will have an infinite loop. So in your get trap, be very careful with receiver. You can return receiver as a whole, but do not return its properties. When you need to retrieve the object prototype, use object.getPrototypeOf or reflect.getPrototypeOf. Do not directly retrieve the _proto property because chances are _proto will be intercepted by the get trap. You may receive unexpected results. Next, let's say we want to add a new property into the car2 object. We name it location and set its value to Newcastle. So, what kind of result will we get this time? Car2 is still empty. If we output car2.location, we will get its value. But its value has been capitalized. This is because assigning a value to car2.location will trigger the set trap. It will intercept the new value and capitalize it. The capitalized value will be assigned to target prop, which means it will be assigned to carproxy.location. If we output carproxy.location, we will get the same result. Our intention is to add an instance property to the car2 object. But what we actually got is we created prototype property for car2 because the new property has been intercepted and added into car proxy rather than car2. To solve this problem, you should add the new property using object.defineProperty or reflect.defineProperty. We can see this time car2 has received the new property we set for it, and the new property is stored in the car2 object itself, not its prototype. Car proxy won't receive the new property this time. We can see we got undefined. The defined property method won't be intercepted by the set trap. The conclusion is when you are using a proxy object as the prototype, be very careful with the get and set trap. The child object will inherit them. When we operator the child object, the get and set trap may give us unexpected results.